8 months ago, I herniated my disc. 5 months ago, I started going to DPT. One of my goals was to dunk.
So my name is Grant. I came down here from Minnesota. I really love to play basketball, to be active, to go outside, to swim in the lakes that are up in my cabin. I've had this injury for 13 years with multiple disc herniations, 2 surgeries, and gone to so many different physical therapists, chiropractors, other health professionals. In working with DPT, I have had a wonderful opportunity to strengthen my back and improve stability. I went from never being able to touch my toes to being able to touch them within 3 sessions. I got to see measurable success immediately. So in the past, I have had 2 surgeries on my back, same exact level. When I was 19 and then when I was 29. I herniated again a couple years later after that. But when I bend over to brush my teeth at night and spit into the sink, I used to have pain. And I had to stop myself and say, whoa, I don't have any pain right now, this is weird. So it's been a phenomenal experience so far. I'm really grateful.
It's kind of in a lunge position, and you come down, straight arm. Yep, good, and then down.
I want to share my experience because it's so unique. I feel like I've done a lot of things in the past to try to help with my back. I've had 2 surgeries, I've herniated for a 3rd time, and wanted to try a different type of physical therapy that I thought would work better. My life has changed so much since going to DPT. I have been able to go back to playing kickball. I have been able to grab rim. I've started to run again for the first time without pain. I never thought there'd be a day where I wouldn't have pain. And for the first time in probably 13 years, I can be confident that I have more pain-free days ahead of me than I ever imagined. I think the biggest thing for anybody who's considering going to DPT and has reservations is that you have to be motivated. You have to want this. You will see the results, some of them right away, but the long-term results are really where the money's at. And I know that it can sometimes feel like it's a bit of a large expense, but absolutely worth every penny. I have not even considered the cost. If I hadn't gotten help from DPT, I think the answer is pretty clear. I would have had surgery. I probably would have had a fusion in my disc, and I'd have been a 32-year-old with 3 back surgeries, being limited on what I can do, being told what I can't do, and having to know that I'm gonna be limited when I'm holding my baby, when I am trying to be a dad. And so to know that I don't have those limitations anymore is worth everything.